I'm 5'7", I'm a underdog by nature, grew up on the north side of town, public housing, so I've always had forces against me. People tell me I can't do something or I can't get somewhere. So when I initially wrote out this business plan, there was a lineup of naysayers that didn't believe. So the fact that now where we're at, it's a testament to hard work, determination, persistence, and always believing in yourself. So what I love about it is that I believed in myself, I believed in our team, and we've delivered. Sometimes people fail, that's just the inevitable portion of life, but I provide an environment that's safe for people to be vulnerable and push themselves, to push their limits to where their success wants to be, where they want to be. And my job is just to provide that environment that showcases they have the opportunity here. We were lucky enough through the construction development that we attracted some companies that were more in the media space, and we've got some contracts with some video games and looking at doing some media sets and stuff like that. So I'm excited about that. That gives me a new challenge, something to focus on, and ultimately ties into my design build character of ultimately wanting to live in that chaos of startup. We didn't get it right lots of times, but right now our team is pretty dialed in with really synergistic people that are also passionate about what the technology's doing and ultimately pioneering the future. So it's no mystery we're out here trying to make history. The number one thing is I want a legacy. I don't want to live a boring life that I can't write a book about when I'm 80 years old. I've mapped it out, and I want to look back at this, and I want to be in the literature that I've read, and I want to be my own story.